Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I'm just doing a random makeup look. I'm going to AAW Pro in Logan Square at the Logan Square Auditorium. So I'm just taking is that a light orangey color? Yeah, like this light orange color. And just kind of putting it all over my lid and, above, of course, because I have very hooded eyes. I also used a cream type color as a base, but I probably didn't even need to do that. I did use my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer as well. I just didn't show that on the video. I really shortened this video down. But anyways, I'm taking that orange color under my eyes as well. Now I'm taking this darker orange, TKO I think is the name of it, and I'm just using that to deepen the color on both my eyes. I kind of winged it out a little bit too, but yeah, I'm just working on the blending here. Like I said, I didn't really have a plan. I wasn't making my makeup to stand for anyone or anything. I will be doing a makeup look for Chris Statlander tonight, but so I'm just taking that dark orange color and bringing it down more on my lids. Now I'm using a brown, just a basic brown. I'm going to use that to deepen up the outer corners as well. And I'm just doing little circular motions, really just a circle. That's all I was doing to blend it in pretty nicely, and then I started winging it out a little bit on both sides. When you have hooded eyes, it seems easier to blend your darkest stuff on the outer corners and then work the way into the lighter colors towards the inner corner. It's opposite kind of how people with actual eyelids can do their makeup. I wish I had actual eyelids, I swear to God. Anyways, so yes, so now I'm just blending. I don't know what brushes I use, so I don't really care to say what I use, so they're just brushes. And now I'm using the black color in this palette to put under my eyes. This is not my favorite black at all, but it works for this because it's a lighter type black, maybe gray, but I use that also just to deepen up just a little bit the outer corners, because that brown wasn't doing it for me. Oh, and wax glitter glue. Alright, so I'm putting this, making kind of like a fake cut crease, and now I'm using this gold type color more towards the inner corners. And I can't speak anything badly about this palette so far. This is from the Beatdown Cosmetics. This is their Knockout palette. This is kind of like a boxing themed palette. This is probably the closest I'll ever found. And now I'm taking this kind of reddishy brown shimmery color, and I'm going to use that more towards the middle and outer edges of my eyelids. But yeah, this palette, it's super cute. The name's in it. Like I said, it's boxing themed, but that's probably the closest I'll ever find to a wrestling themed makeup palette. God, I would love to have some sort of wrestling themed makeup, though. That would be awesome. I don't know if it's ever been done, but hey, if anyone's in the wrestling biz, get on it. I'll help you. But so yeah, I'm just blending these two bitches together. And then I use that darker shimmer underneath my eyes as well. I was going to go for like an actual orange look, but it ended up turning out like kind of bronzy, coppery, kind of matching my hair, actually. Speaking of my hair, I need to re-dye it, but at least it doesn't look terrible with my blonde coming in. So yeah, that's the completed look. I put mascara on. I used my Potion Project Pan stuff. I didn't do the rest of my face. My eyebrows are looking really funky because I tried doing that brow lamination thing and it didn't quite work out. I didn't stress about it. Sadly, no one said my makeup looked cute. Absolutely no one said my makeup looked cute. Anyways, I'm going to use the Saved by the Bell spray, the Wanna Wrestle setting spray, to complete my wrestling makeup. Thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.